bakers.
Welcome.
Welcome to my baking with Charlotte. Today we're going to be baking these cupcakes. So, what about if we introduce our special visit?
Hi, I'm CeCe. I'm Charlotte's grandma, and I'm visiting from Ohio, and we're going to make some chocolate cupcakes today and decorate them like flowers.
So let's get started, bakers. So what we need first?
Today we're using a cake mix because Charlotte wanted chocolate cupcakes. So you can put those in there. Okay. And next, our ingredients are here. Next, we're going to have some water.
Okay, let's get baking.
How many eggs?
Now let's pour in 3 eggs.
Good job.
Well, that is,
And this is cooking oil.
and this is cooking oil.
Good job. And now we use the...
Do you want to stir? Let's get stirring.
Did you remember to tell them what to put the oven on?
We preheated the oven.
We preheating the oven. 350. Now let's get stirring, and we don't want any lumps. Let's give.
And I think for the box it says we have to stir it for 2 minutes. But we want to make sure we get all the flour from the bottom.
Wait, I can do that with this.
Okay. Scrape it around the edges.
Ew, I brought an egg on me.
You did? Okay, good job.
Wipe it off.
Okay, here, look at you. Our sister can get us a paper towel.
It could be a little messy.
It can be. You're right.
Thank you.
Okay, do a little more stirring. Can you feel the batter getting thicker?
It's really hard, but actually really pretty.
It is. Okay, I think we're ready to fill our cupcake pans.
Oh, yay.
We have a 12 cupcake pan with the liners. Okay, we'll fill them in there.
Okay, let's get started. So, we need to take this out. And pour our...
It's really heavy, so how about if I help you?
Yes. And we want to make it just right so it doesn't get so lumpy.
Okay, how about if we fill these and then we'll bake them and we will come back when they're cooled so we can show them how to decorate as a flower.
Yeah.
Okay, say see you soon. We'll be right back.
See you soon, bakers. Welcome back, bakers. We are gonna icing right now. We have one with no vanilla, but it's only strawberry, and one vanilla with no strawberry. Then we have mixed together strawberry and vanilla. So, do you want to get icing? So, let's do the only strawberries first.
Why don't we start with one first?
Can you spread it out?
Yes, you want to do that? I thought we'd do that, and then we can show them how we put the cookies in. Put it
No,
in
I
there.
want to get all the chocolate off, though.
Hold on, hold on.
I want to.
Now we're going to spread it around a little bit so there's some on every part.
Okay.
A little bit more for you there.
Thank you.
Get it around the edges so the cookies will stick on. Good job. Okay. Would you like to try to explain how we're going to put the cookies in?
Let's get.
Yep.
Let's get 5 or 6.
Yes.
1,
That's good. Start putting them around the
2,
edges.
3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
And one more.
6.
6. Okay, let's put them around the edges.
So they look like the petals of the flowers.
And if you want to do the sprinkle part, you can, because I am doing it. And let's put them around carefully.
Might need a few more, huh?
Can you help
Yes.
put them in?
Mm-hmm. Oops. Get some nice
That's
and
not
round
good.
there. There. Yep. There's your sprinkles.
Now, let's do sprinkles. There.
Okay, now show them our finished cupcake, and that's
Let's
how we're going to...
finish. We finished our one cupcake. Which is,
What do you think?
yeah, let's put it in more.
Let's show them.
So let's put it beside, and let's get one more. This is the last one for the pink.
Yes, we'll do one more with white, and then we'll be done. And then we can decorate the rest.
Okay, let's do it.
You want to do white?
No,
Nope.
not right now.
Can I do one?
Uh-huh. There's 3 of every pink. So there's only 2 of each. Then for the mixed up ones, you can do whatever, what you want. Why are you always done?
Oh, that's a lot, Charlotte.
Now spread it.
Mm-hmm.
We might have to spread it onto 2.
Mm-hmm. Oh, how's Mommy's coming out? Look at that.
That looks pretty.
It does. So pretty.
Can you help me?
I sure can. How about Mommy
I'm gonna
give us
do one.
another cupcake and we'll share
I'm gonna-
this icing.
I want this.
Good job. I'll get you a different knife. Okay.
I'll take
That's it. Okay.
Let's get here. Okay. Can you?
Yes, tell them what you're doing.
Don't they look so pretty?
They do.
Well, maybe you can do it.
Yes.
Would you like to try a bite of one to tell them if it tastes good too?
Well, let's put the flower petals on
Okay, we want to put flower petals on one more, and then you can taste it.
and see how they turn
Yes.
out.
Yes.
Can I help you?
Yes.
Why don't we put them like right here?
Oh, that's a good idea, Mom.
And then that way they'll stick up a little bit better.
Yeah.
Like one more maybe.
One.
Alright, there we go. But let me see the white real quick. Need a little bit of icing right there. There we go.
A little pink in the middle, or do you want
Do you want
I
to do
want sprinkles.
sprinkles? Okay.
There we go.
Thank you.
There we go. That looks wonderful.
That's beautiful. Show them your finished cupcake.
Okay, hold it up.
Finished the white cupcake.
We hope you'll make these at home. Oh,
Now we can do the mixed up one and
Here we go.
okay.
I'll put these on the plate so they can watch what you're doing, and then we'll have to let them go so we can eat our cupcakes.
But maybe they can eat.
I like the pink and white together. Isn't that pretty?
Okay, you ready to use the knife and spread it out? Good job.
It's okay because it's already mixed anyway. There. Ooh, how pretty does
And
that
more
look?
white is the better.
Yes, looks pretty. Perfect. Ooh, that looks like a yummy one.
Help me.
Mhm.
And I will do the sprinkles.
On this last cupcake. And then
Does
we're
this one
gonna
need
taste.
petals or no petals on this one?
No thank
Maybe
you.
one on the top.
You could do one in the center.
You can try your imagination, whatever you like to do.
There we go.
And there you go. Show
Looks
them the cupcake.
amazing.
It's like one flower petal sticking up.
Yes.
Now, bye.
Thank
I
you.
hope you do this.
Say thank you.
Hello.
Thank
bye.
Thanks for joining us.